thunderstorm warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bentonville or over O'Hare Airport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. A severe thunderstorm was located over Bentonville or over O'Hare. Locations in Texas include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Edison, Skokie, West Plains, Mount Pleasant, or over O'Hare Airport. The National Weather Service indicates 60 miles per hour northeastern DuPage. Source, radar eastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bentonville or over O'Hare Airport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Skokie, West Plains, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Elmhurst, O'Hare Airport, Park Ridge, Addison, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, Niles, Irving Park, West Ridge, Austin, Wilmette, Melrose Park, and Maywood. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 139 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 71 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 29 and 45. Interstate 290 between mile markers 3 and 17. Interstate 294 between mile markers 29 and 45. This includes Loyola University, Open Community College, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, and Northwestern University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.